What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Ethernet not working on your PC. So all you have to do guys is just simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar and simple type in Ethernet, or you can just simple type in network connections, right? You'll find a settings that says view network connections. Click on that. Once it loads, you will see a few options. If you're using a laptop, you will have the Wi-Fi option, and you'll also have Ethernet. And if you're using a desktop PC without any Wi-Fi, you'll most likely find Ethernet. And if it's currently showing disabled, you want to go ahead and right click and enable it. So in my case, guys, it is currently showing enabled. So in case it was disabled, you will see it shows disabled like this. And all you have to do is just go ahead and click on enabled. Now from here, you can try to put in your cable and see if it works. If that still does not work, you want to go ahead and right click on it and go to the properties. Then from here, you want to find the Internet Protocol version 4. Go ahead and click on properties here, and you want to ensure that it is set to obtain the IP address automatically. If it has anything there like Cloudflare or Google, I would recommend that you try to just set it to automatic and just click on OK. Now the next thing that I want to share with you that you want to do to try to solve this issue in case this still does not work, simply right click on your Windows key taskbar and go to the settings here on your PC. Now, once you're here on the left hand side, you want to find the option that says network and internet. And from here, you want to scroll down and click on advanced network settings. From here, you want to go ahead and look for the network reset option under the more settings and click on network reset. And from here, just simply go ahead and click reset now. Once you reset now, go ahead and restart your PC, guys, and you want to go ahead and try again. And I hope this solved your problem. If so, congrats. If not, write in the comments below. Let me know if you're still having issues. I'll be more than happy to help you to fix the problems. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.